Hi, my name is Rona, and I love interior design. And I love helping people who need help with their decorating, DIY, and interior design challenges here in the DMV, otherwise known as DC, Maryland, and Virginia. The first thing I hope you do is to decide on which elements are needed for your project. Then together, we'll create a design plan utilizing both online, regional retail, and custom design sources to complete your project. Each and every week, I will be posting videos sharing with you informative field trips to all of my favorite spots, design ideas, different materials, sales, and DIY projects that even you can do with a little help from watching my YouTube channel. Be sure to visit my website, DMVinteriors.com, and download a copy of the 7 Essential Elements of Design. And let's get started on your project.